वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट विशाल और आप सबका आज की इस नई वीडियो में एक बार फिर से वेलकम करता हूं। आज की जो वीडियो है मेरा ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है और जो बच्चे सबसे ज़्यादा कैजुअल मिस्टेक्स करते हैं उसके ऊपर हम बना रहे हैं ताकि आपके बैंड्स को डिडक्ट होने से बचाया जा सके। इसका टॉपिक है कि जो कॉमनली यूज सेंटेंस के पैटर्न्स है ना आइल्स में, ये वीडियो उनके ऊपर है कि आप ये वाले सेंटेंसेस लिख के अपने बैंड्स को डिडक्ट होने से बचा सकते हैं जो कॉमनली यूज सेंटेंस होते हैं। साथ में आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको उन सेंटेंसेस से कुछ एग्जांपल दे के बताऊंगा कि ये सेंटेंस आप इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं। तो जो भी मेरे भाई बहन मेरी इस वीडियो को आज पहली बार देख रहे हैं, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर आल्सो। तो चलो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम स्टार्ट अवर वीडियो। आज का जो पहला जो कॉमनली यूज सेंटेंस हम सबसे यूज़ करते हैं आइल्स की राइटिंग और स्पीकिंग दोनों में यूज़ होता है, इन माई ओपिनियन। अब हम देखते हैं इसके एग्जाम्पल्स कि हम इसको यूज़ किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं। इन माई ओपिनियन द गवर्नमेंट शुड पे फॉर एजुकेशन। इन माई ओपिनियन नेक्स्ट आपका द वैनिला इज द बेस्ट फ्लेवर इन आइसक्रीम। इन माई ओपिनियन द फाइनेस्ट परफ्यूम्स आर दोज फ्रॉम फ्रांस। एंड लास्ट इज योर इन माई ओपिनियन द सचिन तेंदुलकर इज द ग्रेटेस्ट क्रिकेटर ऑफ ऑल टाइम। तो ये कुछ एग्जांपल आपको मैंने दे के समझाने की कोशिश की है, आप आगे से इनको। तो ये हो गया। अब देखते हैं अपना नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस जो आपका टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ। इसको हम एग्जांपल देखते हैं। दिस न्यू ट्रेंड डज नॉट रेसोनेट विद यू। टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ आई वॉज वेरी अफ्रेड ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग। नेक्स्ट इज योर टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ वीडियोज। ये हो गया आपके। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस देखते हैं हम। आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ। इसके एग्जांपल देखते हैं। आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग टू डिफरेंट हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस। आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स एंड कैबेज इन पर्टिकुलर। आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ एडवेंचर सिंस आई वॉज अ चाइल्ड। तो ये आपको साथ में एग्जांपल देके इसलिए बता रहा हूँ ताकि आपको समझने में थोड़ी आसानी हो जाए। फोर्थ इज योर apart from these. Examples are apart from these there are many more things to think about. Apart from these we have some important issues to consider. Apart from these we have some more challenges to deal with. Fifth is your a significant number of people. इस एग्जाम्पल से देखते हैं हम। a significant number of people are oppressed by military moves. A significant number of people are suffering from this disease. A significant number of people are living in cities rather than villages. Sixth is your it has become. It has become a common trend in our society. Second is it has become a norm in our contemporary society. It has become a major societal problem. And now seventh sentence is your if we think about positive aspects of X it is helpful to us. If we think about negative aspects of X it is harmful to us. If we think about benefits of X we should embrace it. And now eighth sentence is your जो कॉमन यूज होता है आपके बहुत आइल्स राइटिंग में और स्पीकिंग में मेनली। इट इज बिलीव दैट ईटिंग गार्लिक ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस कैन क्योर कैंसर. इट इज बिलीव दैट नो फॉसिल कुड सर्वाइव फ्रॉम सच एंशियंट टाइम्स. इट इज बिलीव दैट वाटर में एग्जिस्ट एज अ अंडरग्राउंड आइस. एंड नाउ नाइन्थ सेंटेंस आपका कंपेयर टू। ये आपको मेनली ओपिनियन ऐसे में आएगा। Compared to city life, village life is quiet and peaceful. Compared to fans, air conditioners are more comfortable. Compared to students, my friend is more hard working. ठीक है। तो अब नेक्स्ट टेंथ सेंटेंस आपका गुड एट। द डच हैव अ रेपुटेशन फॉर बीइंग गुड एट लैंग्वेजेस. I am not good at swimming any more than running. I think that Japanese students are very good at gathering knowledge. Now next is your interested in. My friend is interested in botany and brought a small microscope. I am greatly interested in learning about the stock market. I have been interested in history since my childhood. तो इस तरह के कुछ एग्जाम्पल साथ में से आपको पता चलेगा आपने सेंटेंस को यूज किस तरीके से करना है. अदरवाइज आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि हमने सेंटेंस की फॉर्मेशन कैसे करनी है. तो इस साथ में इसलिए मैं आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दे रहा हूँ ताकि आप इसको यूज करना सीख जाएं. नेक्स्ट यूर वेयर देयर इज. इसके एग्जाम्पल देखो. वेयर देयर इज अ क्रिएशन देयर शुड बी अ क्रिएटर. वेयर देयर आर डिफिकल्टीज there are ways to get over them. Where there is good there is bad. ठीक है. And next 13 is sentence is your speaking of bicycles. China is called the kingdom of bicycles. Speaking of movies, have you ever seen Pathan? Speaking of traveling, are you going anywhere exciting this year? And now next is 14 sentence, that is at that time. At that time her face was on covers of all the magazine. At that time the government was unwilling to resist the foreign invasion. At that time the East India Company was the virtual ruler of Bengal. So these are some examples. And now next is 15, which is what I am trying to. ये आप sentences को यूज कैसे करेंगे. What I am trying to tell readers is that plastic doesn't really go away. What I am trying to say is that human nature doesn't change. What I am trying to say is that you should think of others. तो इस तरह के कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स भी हैं. नेक्स्ट इज योर व्हाट वुड यू. सेंटेंस है 16. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स. व्हाट वुड डू यू इफ यू वर लॉस्ट अवे ऑन अ डेजर्ट आइलैंड. व्हाट वुड यू डू इफ यू हैड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. व्हाट वुड यू डू इफ समवन ट्राइड टू रॉब यू इन द स्ट्रीट. Next is your 17th, and which is in fact her familiarity with modern technology was limited. In fact he pretends to have various abilities she doesn't in fact possesses. इसमें क्या कि वो आदमी ज़्यादा अपने पास एबिलिटीज़ को पोजेस करता है पर इतनी उसके पास है नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज योर इट्स said that the spring water has medicinal properties. It is said that all comedians have unhappy childhoods. It has been proven that your method is the best. Next is your 19, which is no matter what. Examples are no matter what happen, they vote to stick by one another. No matter what your age, you can lose fat. No matter where he goes, he carries his bag. Next is it is up to. It is up to the regulating authority to put the measures into the effect. It is up to each group to divide that time between colleagues. Last example is it is up to enforcement agencies to initiate criminal investigations. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये जो लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट एजेंसीज हैं उनके ऊपर है कि वो कब से स्टार्ट करती हैं क्रिमिनल्स की इन्वेस्टिगेशन को करना. नेक्स्ट इज योर इट इज सो. दिस मैन इज सो ओल्ड दैट ही कैनॉट लुक आफ्टर हिज हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट इज the teacher is so intelligent that he cannot make mistakes. The problem was so hard that they cannot solve it. And next is I'd be grateful. I'd be grateful if you would send me further details. I would be grateful if you kept this information to yourself. I would be grateful if you would show me the right procedure. Next is I am sorry to, and इसके examples हैं. I am sorry to inform you that your application has been unsuccessful. I am sorry to inform you that you are not allowed at the meeting. I am sorry to say that proposal has been rejected. Next is your I wonder if. I wonder if you had be kind enough to give us some information. I wonder whether there are good grounds for this experiment. I was wondering if the manager would agree with my designs. Next is 25th sentence, which is if I were. If I were good at social science and history, I would become a lawyer. If I were you, I would go to America for higher study. If I were you, I would take that job. It seems like a good opportunity. Next is 26th sentence, which is in order to. The government plans to cut taxes in order to stimulate the economy. The teamwork is required in order to achieve long-term goals. Understand yourself in order to better understand others. ये थे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स इसके. नेक्स्ट इज 27 सेंटेंस, विच इज देयर इज नथिंग एज. इससे एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. देयर इज नथिंग एज exciting as meeting an old friend unexpectedly. There is nothing as enjoyable as reading a novel on the grass. There is nothing wrong with asking neighbor down for a drink. Next is your shouldn't. Next sentence is your shouldn't we. Shouldn't you try to save some money rather than spend it all? Shouldn't we check the weather before we go out? Shouldn't we think about manipulation rather than elimination? Your next sentence is I can't help. Examples are I can't help thinking about my higher education at Oxford. I can't help remembering how stunning the museum looked. I couldn't help noticing your wedding ring. It's beautiful. Your next sentence is thanks to. Examples are thanks to their help we accomplished the task on time. Thanks to your timely warning I didn't make a mistake. Thanks to computers lots of tasks are now easier. Next is I am looking forward to, and its examples are I am looking forward to going to Switzerland next month. I am looking forward to accept and compromise with the council. And your next sentence is once you. One examples are once you push it, it keeps going under its own momentum. Once you have created a map, you can share it with others. Third is once you have a headache, take the medicine twice a day. Your next sentence is nobody knows why. Nobody knows why this phenomena is occurring in different places. Nobody knows exactly why global warming is increasing day by day. Nobody knows why we become affected by certain life-threatening viruses. Next is your there has been. There has been substantial improvement in the technology. There has been significant damage to our environment. There has been a negative development in social values. And your 35th sentence is generally speaking. It is most commonly used in your IELTS speaking. Generally speaking, there is a difficult question to answer. Generally speaking, champions are built from perseverance. Generally speaking, hottest weather comes in June. Next is as far I am concerned. As far I am concerned, it's man-made climate changes. As far I am concerned, there's no reason to wait for luck. As far I am concerned, your argument is more compelling. Next is to be honest. To be honest, some technology is more of hindrance than a help. To be honest, it was one of the worst books I have ever read. To be honest, I think the new policy is completely unworkable. And your last sentence is I have been a subscriber to CNBC Learning English for many months. I have been to New York many times since my childhood. I have been booked on a film which I have seen several times. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे कुछ हमारे कॉमनली यूज सेंटेंसेस के पैटर्न्स जो हम कॉमनली यूज करते हैं अपने आइल्स की स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग में. अगर किसी को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो, तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको इस वीडियो में कोई कमी लगी हो तो काइंडली मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं, अपनी राय ज़रूर दें. मैं हर एक कमेंट को पढ़ता हूं और आपको उसका रिप्लाई भी मिलेगा और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं उसको इम्प्रूव करने की पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.